If you have DACA and you've been ordered removed from the United States, but you haven't left the United States, then you apply for advance parole and you're like, well, should I leave? Am I going to be able to come back in because I have a removal order? The answer is you're definitely going to be able to come back into the United States because there's a case called Matter of Arrabally, Your Belly. And basically that stands for the proposition that when you leave the United States and come back into the United States, you're like a legal ghost. Okay, it's not a departure. So you haven't effectuated the removal order. Do you understand? So when you go and come back into the United States and you're paroled in, now you're an arriving alien. What does that mean? An arriving alien means that if you are an immediate relative, like you're under 21 and unmarried, and your parent is a U.S. citizen, or your step-parent's a U.S. citizen, or you're married to a U.S. citizen, or you're the parent of a U.S. citizen. In that situation, you can then immediately file for your green card in the United States. The removal order still exists, but because you're an arriving alien, the USCIS can grant your green card. You don't have to go back to the immigration court and reopen and terminate that removal order because it doesn't really matter for legal purposes. Like, share, follow. I'm Gloria, the immigration queen.